Assess coding skills and teamwork in real time, providing a clear picture of candidates' abilities. Evaluating teamwork during coding tests without the right tools can be challenging. With pair programming, you can evaluate how candidates collaborate through live code sharing and real-time feedback. With pair programming, once the interviewer and candidate initiate the session, they can dive into a shared code editor that mirrors an actual project setting. As the coding session progresses, the interviewer has the opportunity to assess not only the candidate's technical skills, but also their ability to collaborate and communicate effectively, skills that are essential for teamwork. Both the interviewer and candidate have full control of the editor, allowing them to type, edit, and navigate files together. In addition, the IDE supports multiple programming languages, ensuring tasks can be tailored to match your preferred style. As an added benefit, either the interviewer or the candidate can run the code and see real-time results immediately. This instant feedback loop offers deeper insights into how the candidate handles errors, adjusts their approach, and validates their solution on the spot. Gain valuable insights into problem-solving and teamwork abilities, all from a single session. Ready to enhance your assessment process? Unlock the power of pair programming with WeCP and hire the best talent today.